Welcome back to the deep dive. So we've gotten a lot of questions about these play-to-earn apps,
Mm-hmm.
specifically Givvy Domino. The big question from you is, is this a real side hustle or is it just a game?
Right.
So we've dug into some material from the YouTube channel X Guide to get to the bottom of it.
And the premise, you have to admit, it's really appealing. The idea is you just play a simple game of dominoes on your phone, maybe against other people.
Sounds relaxing.
Totally. And as you win, you get these coins, and those coins can supposedly be turned into actual cash. Sounds like a perfect little moneymaker.
Mm.
Okay, so let's get right into it. The first question always is it legit? Like, does it actually work? Well, yes and no. The good news is it's a real app. The game is real, it plays smoothly, and you absolutely do earn coins.
So it's not a total scam right out of the gate. You play, you get rewarded.
Exactly. But, and this is the huge but, this is where the whole promise sort of falls apart. The critical part is that coin-to-cash conversion rate.
Okay, let's talk about that. How bad is it?
It is, it's extremely low. The sources were really clear on this. You could be sitting there racking up thousands and thousands of coins.
And that feels great, I'm sure.
It feels like you're achieving something, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then you go to convert it, and all those thousands of coins.
Yeah.
It translates to just a few cents.
A few cents? Wow.
Literally pennies.
So that really changes the whole equation, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If the return is that tiny, why are people playing?
Well, that's the psychological part. But when you do the math, to earn anything meaningful, even just $5, you would have to play for hours and hours and hours.
It's a massive time sink.
It's a huge time sink.
Mm-hmm.
It's not realistic at all for making real money. You're basically the one getting played, not the one playing to earn.
That's a hard truth. But okay, let's say someone is really dedicated, they put in the grinds, they've earned a few dollars. What happens next? Is getting the money out easy?
That's the other big red flag.
Yeah.
We saw a lot of reports from, experienced users who said cashing out was a whole other problem.
No.
Yeah. The process is apparently really slow. People run into errors. Payments are delayed for a long, long time.
So you might not even get it at all.
Sometimes it just doesn't work, period. So not only is the pay tiny, but getting that tiny payment can be its own frustrating battle.
Okay, so let's connect all these dots for you, our listener. What's the final verdict here?
The verdict is pretty clear. Givvy Domino is a perfectly fine domino app if you just want to play dominoes. It's entertainment.
As a game, it works.
As a game, it's totally legitimate. But as a way to earn cash, it is absolutely not reliable. It can't replace a job. It can't even be called a real side hustle.
So it's really about managing your expectations.
Exactly. It's for fun. And there's a very, very small chance you might get a tiny payout someday. That's it.
So that leaves us with a final thought for you to chew on. Since this app is real, but making money from it is completely unrealistic, what does that say about the true cost of our time? How much are you willing to invest for pennies versus just enjoying the game for what it is?
Something to think about.
We'll leave you with that. Until our next deep dive.